Have you ever felt a deep sense of uneasiness, anxiety, or disconnection from the world around you? Or perhaps you're seeking to enhance your spiritual practices and deepen your connection to the earth. If so, the solution might lie in the simple yet profoundly transformative practice of grounding, also known as earthing. In this video, we'll delve into the profound spiritual importance of grounding and how this practice can be a game changer in your life. But before we begin, if you resonate with our purpose, we invite you to support us. Now let's embark on this enlightening journey. Grounding, or earthing, is more than just a trendy wellness practice. It's a profound connection between your physical body and the Earth's surface. When you ground yourself, you're essentially establishing a direct link with the Earth's natural energy, allowing you to tap into its limitless benefits. Spiritual importance of grounding. Rooting the soul. Your soul, much like a plant, needs a strong root system to flourish. Grounding provides this essential anchor, connecting your energy centers, especially the root chakra, to the Earth's stable energy. This practice ensures that your emotions and thoughts remain balanced and aligned, free from the turbulence of untethered energy. Enhances spiritual awareness. Grounding quiets the mind, creating a clear channel for your spiritual intuition to flow. It helps you transcend the noise and distractions of modern life, opening you up to receive higher wisdom and insights. Through grounding, you learn to tune into your inner guidance and the subtle cues of the universe, leading you toward greater self-discovery and enlightenment. Releases negative energy. Imagine the Earth as a giant magnet, constantly attracting and absorbing negative energies. By making physical contact with the ground, you tap into this cleansing power. Grounding allows you to release stress, anxiety, and any negative spiritual imprints or blockages, making space for positive, uplifting energy to flow through your body. Spiritual protection. In a world filled with spiritual and energetic influences, grounding acts as a protective shield. It creates a barrier between you and lower vibrational entities or harmful energies, safeguarding your energy field. This is particularly important when you're engaging in spiritual work or going through intense emotional experiences. Strengthens the connection with nature. Grounding fosters a deep reverence for Mother Earth, reminding you of your oneness with all living beings. It helps you see yourself as part of the natural order, strengthening your connection with the planet and all its inhabitants. This recognition is fundamental to spiritual growth and living in harmony with the rhythms of nature. Physical importance of grounding. Restores bioelectric balance. Our bodies are intricate electrical systems, and grounding helps to keep them in balance. It neutralizes any excess positive charge, free radicals, that can disrupt normal bodily functions. By being in contact with the Earth, you restore this balance, promoting overall health and vitality. Reduces inflammation and pain. Inflammation is at the root of many health issues, and grounding offers a natural way to combat it. Scientific studies have shown that grounding reduces inflammation by transferring free electrons from the Earth to your body. This process helps neutralize free radicals, leading to potential pain relief, particularly for conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness. Improves sleep and energy levels. Poor sleep and low energy are common problems in today's world. Grounding can help by regulating cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and improving sleep patterns. When you ground yourself, you synchronize your biological clock with the Earth's natural electromagnetic fields, leading to deeper, more restful sleep and more consistent energy levels. Boosts circulation. Good blood circulation is vital for a healthy body. Grounding promotes better blood flow by supporting your cardiovascular system. This can lead to better oxygenation of tissues, improved nutrient delivery, and reduced blood pressure over time. Balances the nervous system. Your nervous system controls your body's response to stress and relaxation. Grounding helps balance the two systems, easing you out of the constant state of alertness that leads to burnout anxiety, or other stress-related issues. Improves mental clarity and focus. Grounding doesn't just calm your emotions. It also sharpens your mental faculties. It helps you clear mental fog, improve concentration, and restore focus, making you more effective in work and studies. In conclusion, grounding is a powerful practice that bridges the gap between your physical body and the Earth's energy. By grounding, you not only enhance your spiritual connection, but also tap into a well of physical health benefits. It's a simple, accessible practice with profound implications for your overall well-being. So why wait? Start grounding today and experience the transformative power of this ancient practice in your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. And if you found value in this content, we invite you to stay tuned for more enlightening videos. Until next time, may your connection to the earth and your inner wisdom be strong and vibrant. Follow for more.